Welcome back. This is the next video on if Ashwarya is lying against Anirudh on Manat. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. In case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, a lot of drama is going on the show currently, and we are recapping all of them till the secret is all out. Even though we all know the truth is out, we just don't want to believe her yet because she has tendency of lying. And I'm saying this as a form of spoiler because I've watched obviously a lot of episodes that haven't been shown on TV, and I know that she likely is lying. But not to spoil the video, let us jump straight to the video. This is episode 156 and 157 on Manat.
The episode starts with Mannat asking Anirudh how could he treat her mom in this way. Anirudh says that she's holding her father's. Caller Mannat asks him why he's here. She doesn't need a father. Like him, Vikrant asks him to leave. Anirudh says that she would have instigated her daughter against him. What have she said to Mannat to separate her from him? Mannat says that she won't leave him for ruined her mom's life. He betrayed her. He took advantage of her. He asks her what she is saying. What have we done to her? Mannat says that he molested her mom. She isn't a symbol of love. She is symbol of his sin. She feels ashamed of herself. Mannat asks him to leave. Vikrant hugs her to control her. Malika feels jealous too. See it. Aishwarya separate them. He asks them to kick him out of the house. Vikrant says that he'll call the police now and get him arrested. Aishwarya says that she doesn't want to leak this news to anyone. She wants to save her name. Mannat says that she hates herself for came to this world because of his act. Mannat says that she hated her mother because she left her to die. But Anirudh is the reason for it. She won't leave him. He's a criminal. She's a daughter of a criminal. Anirudh says that he didn't molested her mother. He didn't betrayed her. Mannat asks him to give a proof then. She asks him to leave from here. Vikrant and Gagan close the door. Anirudh says that Sonia is a snake. Already beat him, she ruined his life, she'll ruin Gagan's life too. He threatens Aishwarya to come back to take a revenge on her. Varun comes there to support him. Anirudh says that he wants his daughter back. Aishwarya says that he will come back. Mannat says that she's here to support her. Kiran says that Aishwarya can take Mannat back to her colony. It's the place for her. She instigates her husband against Aishwarya, Neetu bad-mouthing on Mannat. She says that everything went wrong once Mannat came to this house. Aishwarya apologized to Shruti on behalf of them. Shruti takes a stands for Aishwarya. She asks her to leave if she don't talk with her nicely. Kiran asks her, is it her house? Shruti says that it's not her house too. Mannat is a partner of Vikrant. It's her house too. Neetu says that a criminal's blood is running on Mannat's body. She's dirty. A goon came to this house because of her. She's symbol of his sin. Vikrant asks his mom, how could she talk like this to Mannat? It wasn't her mistake to born as a daughter of Anirudh. She can't even blame Aishwarya. She's a victim here. It's his house, so he will decide whom to stay here or not. Doesn't we kept Malika here even? After she did a crime, we didn't send her to the jail. Shruti takes Aishwarya from there. Vikrant consoles Mannat. Malika thinks that she lose everything in front of Mannat. She has to do something or else Vikrant will kick her out of this house. Mannat is heartbroken. She shares her grief with Vikrant. She informs him that Shruti lied to her someone else as her father, so she celebrated her own birthday in front of his photo. Later she learned the truth, but she wasn't heartbroken like this. She felt lonely after mom was hospitalized. She wished to meet her real father for once, but she never thought a day like this come in her life. Vikrant consoles her. Mannat, sharing her grief with Vikrant, informs him that Anirudh helped her to prove her innocence. Thought that she got a person whom helping her like a father. She finds out that she's a criminal's blood. She feels ashamed to think about it. Meanwhile, Anirudh slaps Varun. He says to him that he didn't molested anyone. He won't play with any woman in his drunken state too. He won't leave Aishwarya. Varun apologized to him for misunderstood him. He asks Anirudh if he has any problems with the police. Aishwarya is taking advantage of that situation. Anirudh says that he won't allow Aishwarya to go ahead. He is ready to die but not to face the loss. Meanwhile, Mannat narrated to Vikrant whatever happened in the jail. Anirudh helped her to free from the jail, but he wanted to take revenge on Aishwarya. She never thought that he already done something to her. Aishwarya says that it's not her mistake. Anirudh is a cunning person. He took advantage of her situation and pretends like helping her. Aishwarya asks her not to blame herself. She praised her as a good person. She can't become her mom. She apologized to her. Vikrant asks them not to blame themselves for it. It's not their mistake. Vikrant asks them to concentrate on Janmashtami Puja. He tries to lift Mannat's mood by discussing about it. Amnai understands it and smiles at him. Aishwarya pretends like supporting her. Malika feels jealous to see it all. Later, Neetu is surprised to see Deepak arranged everything. He says that already Mannat instructed him everything. Malika says that Vikrant asked Mannat to prepare the prasad. Mannat is already impressed. Everyone in this house, Vikrant will divorce her and marry Mannat. Once she entered into this house, she will rule everything here. She doesn't know what to do. She says that Mannat not only separating her from Vikrant, but also Neetu. She has to decide whether she wants Malika or that goon's daughter. Roni says that Malika is still in this house, not in the jail because of Mannat. She shouldn't forget that already he did something wrong by going against Vikrant. He won't repeat the mistake again. Neetu thinks that whatever he says, he won't allow that illegitimate daughter to marry her son. Aishwarya says to Malika that she's distancing herself from her. Malika complains that she doesn't care about her at all. Aishwarya says that she only loved Malika in her life wholeheartedly. Malika says that if she loved her, then she would have stopped Mannat from getting close with Vikrant. He already chose Mannat over her. Aishwarya says that he won't do like that. Malika says that he is doing that. Mannat says that she don't need to answer her. Vikrant comes there and says that Aishwarya needs justice. Even Mannat wants justice. Vikrant asks Aishwarya to file a case against Anirudh. He might go to the jail. Aishwarya refuses to give a complaint against Anirudh, reasoning they will ruin her reputation. They will release this news in a media. Vikrant is motivating her to give a complaint. Aishwarya is emotionally blackmailing everyone. Then Shruti supports Aishwarya there.